You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Progressive Recipe. This is a lovely recipe I know you like. I'm trying to create different flavors out of this particular recipe. So first you put in your butter and start mixing it. Pour in your sugar and you continue mixing. Feel free to use your hand mixer. Feel free to use your standing mixer. Feel free to use your spatula, that's wooden stick or wooden spoon, and your bowl. It can still do this magic. I'm adding vegetable oil now. I'm not dropping the recipe immediately. So if you want the ingredients, the recipe, just like the measurements of the ingredients, I'll be posting it on the description box below, but not today, exactly today. So I can't do it right now. So you can come back and check for the ingredients, because I will most surely try my best to post it on my description box. So add your vegetable oil and you continue mixing and mixing and mixing. Allow it to cream till you have that light, fluffy, creamy texture. And you add in your baking powder to your well measured flour, and you set it aside. Here I've already measured my milk, my egg. I measured my egg with scale, and I have my Madagascar vanilla flavor. Any vanilla extract you can lay your hand, feel free to grab it depending on what you are looking for. Like I said, I'm creating different recipe, just like different flavor from this. You can see how that yellowish butter and vegetable oil look so creamy and light. You can see that, yeah, that's exactly what I was looking for. And make sure you achieve such before you continue mixing, and you carry on mixing and mixing. This egg, feel free to whisk if you want. It's not a must you whisk it. That's the truth. Some people say if you don't whisk your egg, if you don't foam, it will not come out nice. Is a lie. You can pour your egg that way. You can just use your fork to just beat it a little, just incorporate the egg yolk and egg white. That's it. If you don't want, pour it like that, your cake will come out nice. Some will say, even if you're turning, to go anti-clockwise. If you don't go anti-clockwise, the cake will stop, will spoil. That's what I heard when I was in primary school. It's not true. I'm a baker now, and I have test run all those things, and it's not working. Those things are not true at all. So I added the eggs. You can see what I'm having. Soft, oh my god, this is slicky butter. Now you can see how lovely it's looking. Make sure you get this lovely texture before you continue. Right now we are left with our milk and flour. In this flour, hello, we have flour, baking powder inside this particular flour. So just add it and you begin to mix it very well to make sure everything incorporates very well. Don't forget one thing: we have not added our flavors. We are going to be dividing this batter when everything is well mixed. Yes, some people will want to use why are you not using your standing mixer to mix this? Please, I don't like it, because sometimes if you over mix, it can turn from cake to buns. Yes, if you under mix, I don't know what will happen, but I'm just telling you the simple truth. I don't want my cake to be ruined, so I prefer just creaming the butter, sugar, and vegetable oil with my mixer, and I bring them out, use my wooden spoon, and get it done. You can see, just take your time and mix. With this wooden spoon, you cannot easily over mix your cake batter. But if you see hand mixer, standing mixer, if you're not careful, you can get your cake over mixed. Up to you. Do what you know you're used to, what you know that can favor you. But this has been progress for a long time. This is the way I bake my cake, and it normally comes out lovely and nice. So at this point in time, I have to share out this butter so that it can enable me to be able to mix it well while I add my different flavors. Yes, so I'll be doing strawberry flavor and also vanilla flavor. You can bring out coconut flavor from flavored cake here, where you can add your coconut flakes, add coconut, what do you call it? Coconut, desiccated coconut flavor and all that. I'm just adding a little. The first powder, red powder you saw is red velvet powder. It gives me that strawberry color I need. Yeah, with strawberry flavor. That's what I added. So do whatever that works for you. This works for me very, very well. So I normally use a little of my red velvet powder and my strawberry flavor. So just you can, from this batter you can bring out any flavor of your choice. I'm just being sincere with you. You can do so many things. So the next one, I'll be mixing in my vanilla flavor. Yeah, I have this Madagascar vanilla flavor. Any vanilla XX or vanilla flavor you can get missing. So I'm mixing with my scotch butterscotch. So I'm mixing the two together. The two tests together is an amazing jam. I know what I'm saying. Just try it. You'll come back to thank progress later. Just give it a try. So I decided to drop some golden syrup. See, I know how to like spice up my cake. See, this vanilla flavor, but if you feel like people are just used to the taste of my vanilla flavor, you can upgrade it. The next thing I added was cinnamon. So you can like upgrade the whole thing. I'm just telling you the simple truth. You can just like change the whole, make it a little twist. You can use your cinnamon, nutmeg, a little of the golden syrup, and make your vanilla flavors change taste. So this is a black straco I'm adding right now. So just spice it just the way you want. I just want this particular ingredient has a lovely taste. I know if you know it, you know it. So I don't stress it when I put it. So I love the taste so much. So see, if you want to like change your vanilla flavor, try this. I promise you, you'll come back to thank me. So I removed the butter, separated them. And don't forget, I greased this pan and I dusted with flour, just like greasing the pan with butter, and I dusted it with flour. That's why the pan is looking that way. And right now it's time to bake. I'm baking under 180 degrees, and I'm going to be checking it after 25 minutes. Very, very important. Just take your time. My oven and your oven might not be the same, but make sure you are not far from your kitchen. You're not far from that oven. Very, very important. So I decided to mix the two flavors here together to see what it will come out to be. So that's it. After pouring this, I just give it a tap on the table to close up all air bubbles. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed? Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. I love you all. See you in my next video.